Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are going to try on some clothes together today from Fashion Nova. A couple bathing suits actually. So I'm going to this poolside like festival. Think like rave, Coachella, kind of like EDM, dance, DJs, adult beverages, hot bodies, bikinis and thongs and pasties and crazy outfits and crazy people. And a couple days here, Palm Springs, California. It's called Splash House. Really fun. I am obsessed with it, but I just know I gotta look super hot, feel great and confident, and drink lots of water and take off work on Monday. It's gonna be interesting. So a lot of the looks here are gonna be fun, like bikinis and really just kind of extra little outfits. I have a dress and a bodysuit, a couple fits that are very extra, not for everybody for sure, not something I'd wear on the regular. This is only because it's like this type of an event. So if you're looking for something like that for somewhere to go, then this is the video for you. If not, still hang out. It's gonna be fun, right? So we have, first up, this one's not too crazy. It's this little black two-piece. It's like a ruffly kind of top here. One thing I'm nervous about, I got this in a medium because they were out of a large, and I'm usually like a large. I'm a size like 8 to 10 in clothing, size usually like medium to large depending on the dresses and the jumpsuit. I got in mediums because I want to be snatched. But when it's stuff like this, you know, I'd like a little more room, so we'll see. This is a medium bottom, just a black bottom. Okay, ooh, wait till I show you these fits though. Let's see, up next we have the little pink groovy kind of bathing suit. So it's like this, and it has this like little back out and all these adjustable straps, which is cool. So you can adjust the strap here, and you can adjust it like down here where the butt kind of part is, so you can like bring it up more, which I thought was super cool. So I thought that was cute. I like the print. This is my favorite one I think I picked up from Fashion Nova. I do have a couple more bathing suits coming in, so I'll do another video from another website because I don't want to bunch them all together. I want to keep them separate, so if you want to shop certain places, you can you can just Google the video for those places. So Fashion Nova here, look how sexy this little bottom is. Ah! Obsessed. And then a little cute little tube top. It has little padding, has little ruffles around it. It's a little tube top. So that was super cute. And now onto the fits, y'all. Wait. Okay. So we got this one, which is super crazy and colorful. It's a jumpsuit. So it's white, all white in the back, except for the back. And let me get up. Okay, look at her. I thought it was so fun for like the pool. It's a pool festival. I thought it's like giving a new take on like the little bikini body ones that you see. Like how sexy and fun. Like I said, the white is back. It looks like it's gonna be a little see-through, but it's okay because I'm probably gonna have to wear a little mustache in underneath. And ooh, if you thought that was scandalous and a little crazy, y'all, I don't know, do I have to blur this out on YouTube? I don't even know. Ah! She's so good. What? Oh my god. I mean, like, ah! It's gonna be so fun. My dog's like, what the heck is going on right now? But let's get into these try-ons real quick so you can really see the tea. Like I said, everything's listed below. This is a little crazy. I don't just like this all the time, but I do when I like to go out to like Vegas, Miami, like festivals. I go all out. Like I love to show out. So it has been a day, y'all. It's been a day. I just got my eyebrows done though. They look really nice. So that's the highlight of the day. I woke up late. Got to the gym late, but I still got there. Still got my workout in. Was supposed to drop off something to get tailored or altered because I have like one of my little outfits I got when I received it. Someone else must have tried it on because it has a little rip in the back. So I'm just getting that changed out for next weekend, getting it fixed so that the zipper is okay. But I forgot to bring it in the gym and I was running late, so I just had to come out and kind of break my day up and come over here to go drop that off and get my eyebrows threaded. So it kind of worked out either way, but I was like annoyed that I forgot it. And then I got to work and my computer wasn't working for the radio station to cut all my stuff for today, and I'm on a time crunch. I'm trying to work ahead. I have to get these mixes in today and get to this another event that I'm doing with the casino this evening for the radio station. So it's just like one of those days. I have so much to do. I'm trying to work ahead for this weekend because this weekend went to Splash House. This heat is killing me. It's 115 degrees, so it's just a Bianca complain day apparently. I'm just tired. I feel tired. I feel worn out. Like I was trying to get stuff done around the house because I'm so busy with work that like I don't have that much time. So I'm trying to do little tasks every day. so that I'm like ready for the weekend, because we have friends coming in town. We're gonna have people over at our house. I want it to be clean. I don't want to have to worry about cleaning. We're helping my boyfriend's family move on Friday, which is the day basically the festival kind of starts at night. So it's not till late at night. So we're gonna help them move super early because it's really, really hot. It's like dead of summer, so it's like great time, but it's not their fault. They had to move, but it's like, damn it, why couldn't it have been a couple more months from now? Anyways, that's happening. What else is going on? I don't know. I'm like tired. I'm out of it. I'm at Starbucks right now because I'm just like, I need a little pick me up. But yeah, Friday, like after I help them move, I'm gonna have to go back and finish my work. That's why I'm trying to work ahead so I don't have that much work on Friday, so I can like get home and enjoy myself and kick off the weekend. But today, this morning, I cleaned the kitchen, like stove, like all the little like drip pans underneath that. I took those out. I wiped down everything in the kitchen. Obviously we're still going to be using that the next couple days, but I'm trying to like keep it pretty clean. And I vacuumed and shampooed the rug in the living room because it's like a white ivory and we have pets and stuff, so I just want to make sure that was all nice and clean. So like little stuff like that. When I get home tonight, my game plan after work, after I get off at 8 p.m. is to clean the bathroom really good, like the shower, scrub that down, wash my little puppy. Actually, I need to call the groomers too, see if I can get him in. I know I'm not gonna be able to get him in before this weekend, but maybe next weekend. He can use a little trim of his face. His little Shih Tzu, little teddy bear face has little, you know, little stuff from his food and stuff. So I'm gonna give him a good bath, try to get what I can out, and then hopefully get him an appointment. So that's the game plan for tonight. Do some laundry, and then tomorrow do a little bit more around the house, and then it'll be Friday. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Well, I'm at Starbucks now. I'm hot and I'm tired and I'm just like irritable because today is just like everything that can go wrong has gone wrong. Knock on wood. I mean, I'm grateful I'm driving. My car's still working. I'm in the AC, so I can't be that mad about it. I just ordered Panera. That's going to be my lunch today, Panera. And yeah, that's it. I don't know how much you're going to see of me, but I did get my order of clothes that is waiting at the door. Hopefully that's okay. So I will see my clothes tonight. The rest of my clothes I'm definitely going to be showing you guys. I might have already shown you guys. I don't know how I'm going to do that because I've just been taking a lot of little clips as they come in. But I'm super excited. I got some more bathing suits and a couple cute little dresses, maybe for the after hours. Very sheer and mesh fun stuff. So I will show you soon. But right now I'm about to order my Star and PC. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have so much to go through. Look at these earrings though. Wow. State Mint. Got these really cool little glasses. All right, so I look crazy and my background's a mess, and I haven't shaved yet, so, or I'm actually gonna wax. But this little print and these little ties, don't worry, I'm gonna do like a full little haul for you, but so far, first piece, yes. Also, I didn't mention I have hydronitis, so I get very insecure about wearing like certain things, especially bikinis. Not just like my whole weight loss journey and me not being 100%, but like I get little bumps here. I'm like really embarrassed about it. I maybe will make a video about it and kind of my struggle and what I've been doing, but that's why it's kind of hard for me to pick bathing suits. So I always try to gravitate towards something like this where it kind of pokes out on the sides so that you're not seeing that area that I'm very insecure about. That's that. We'll talk about it another time. I don't want to ruin my hype for this video and my excitement for this weekend, but it sucks. Hydronitis definitely sucks. All right, guys, I got all my little outfits ready for this and next weekend. And next weekend's gonna be the bigger weekend, so these are gonna be like my more fun outfits. Like, look at these gloves, okay? The gloves. This is just some sunglasses with this little skirt. Oh my god, yes. Okay, this one too, so fun. Little overskirt, having a little Kim K Balenciaga moment. And then these ones are such a pretty print. I'm gonna wear this, I think, this weekend coming up, this first weekend. So this one and then this red one that I showed you guys. I'm actually gonna do some pre-photos for it so I can get my looks in before the party starts, because I want to enjoy the party. I want to have fun. I don't want to be stressed about trying to get photos, but I also put a lot of effort into like putting these pieces together. I think they look really cool. So I'm obviously gonna try to get photos during the festival, but the hotels are right next to me and they're already setting up for splash house. So they have some signage and they have cute little, like the Saguaro has all these colorful walls on the outside. So since the pool party is going to be there and I live down the street, your girl is going to go with my cousin, who's my ride or die. She's like my dad and mom's age, but she's the best, Sandy. She is going to get me some photos beforehand. Also got to get a wax, got to get to work. A lot needs to be done, but I'm so excited. How cute. I can't wait for you guys to see. I will definitely be showing you guys, taking you along for the ride, but follow me on Instagram so you can see the final looks. Hunty, which one's your favorite? Okay, this one. What about this one? You like these prints? These are like more like classy bougie, and these are like festival rave bad bitch. I'm excited. All right, you guys, this is perfect. The sign is already up, so I'm about to snap some shots. Pre-photos. Sweating already, but I got my little fit on. I can't wait. These photos are gonna be so bomb. Pre-photos, y'all. Gotta do it. All right, y'all, look to these earrings though. All right, y'all. We made it finally. All right, and we are off. Sarah's here, yes. Birthday weekend. Yes, so we're going to the Tropical restaurant, and then we're gonna grab our wristbands and get this party started. But look at the sky. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my God.
Or are you looking to get more?
Well, I don't know. This whole thing is fine. I'm not, I didn't say that. I just said this is a huge
Salute. Happy birthday.
Cheers. How is it? Good? It's so good. Birthday girl. Yes. The last time, she's not even that sober now, but this is the most sober you're going to see her.
That's right.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Good morning. Officially kick off for Splash House. This is my little bikini I'm wearing. I got some cute accessories, some swim gloves. So I'll show you everything. Little wannabe Versace glasses that everybody has off of Amazon. A margarita. Cheers. Last night was fun. We just went to after hours for a little bit because we want to be refreshed for today. So today's gonna be like the big kickoff. So I'm excited. My friend Sarah just went home real quick to check on our kitty, and I will show you like our fits and everything before we leave when she gets here, because I did it. I'm so obsessed with this look.